Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can fix Zoom sign-up field problem on your device. So if you're facing this sign-up field problem or that you're not eligible to sign up at this time issue on your Zoom application, then what you need to do is the first thing is you can try uninstalling the app and then reinstalling it. So for that, go to your Play Store. And then on the search box, type in Zoom and tap the install button and wait for the application to be installed. After it's completely installed and for the date of birth, you need to make sure that you're above 18. Then if you've entered the date of birth that's below 18 years, then it should be one of the reasons why you're actually facing this issue. If that is not the case, then you can also try using a different device or a browser, maybe use a web browser or maybe Firefox whatsoever. And if that is also not working out, then you can try using a VPN, or you can try disabling the VPN. That should be an issue. And if nothing seems to be working out, then you can switch to incognito mode and try creating your account, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. However, if this is not working out, then you can try checking the information that the application actually support on the following reason or not. So that is how you can fix Zoom sign up field problem. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.